Today I'd like to discuss the airtightness of our boxes.
We've received some complaints that they are not properly sealed. With that in mind, we have designed and created for you a set of 4 gaskets along with a set of 4 cross-shaped connectors. We did the tests. It took a little while. These are special silicone gaskets made with food grade material. This is a material used in medicine. All those cannulas and so on are made from this. If we use this system of gaskets that I will show you, and we already have a test report which we will soon be posting on the website. We have an airtightness class A. For some of our components we've managed to achieve the highest possible airtightness class. Class C, but A is completely sufficient. It is used in highly demanding facilities. For a single family home, let's say over 400 cubic meters or even 1000 cubic meters, we lose about half a cubic meter share. It's very easy to assemble. I'll show you in a moment exactly how to put it together.
Once we install the gasket here around the edge, what do we need to do? To mount this securely, we can use water mixed with some dish soap. Might be a liquid silicone solution, just dampen it slightly. I do it this way so I don't waste too much. Use your finger, carefully trace around and then simply press in the module. Now that's done, we are going to install these little crosses for sealing purposes. There are 4 of them. We have it done here. They are designed so that they fit together perfectly. They are very soft.
Look, this fits in perfectly. They also have these special little openings.
So that they can be fitted perfectly.
And what do we do now?
Trace the gasket. We need just a little bit of the liquid. And now we're going to start assembling the box. It's not rocket science. You just insert it and it's going to fit, and this way we get a very tight seal. I'm recording this entire thing for you so that you don't think the Santa said that this is a difficult task. With this screwdriver it is even too tight, although it's a very low torque, a 5-volt screwdriver.
See how much time it actually took.
Let's just tighten it here. And we have Class A airtightness everywhere, without exception.
Gaskets everywhere. This is a very high airtightness class. Few manufacturers for single-family homes can boast the class that our distribution boxes achieved thanks to these special silicone gaskets. It just takes a little bit more time. Assembling this box takes about a minute longer with these gaskets than if we were just installing it normally, because installing a gasket on the module takes roughly 20 seconds. Say we have 4 modules, that's 1 to 1.5 minutes. So the assembly takes a bit more time, but we get airtightness class A, and it's rare for manufacturers to be able to boast something like that.